Hey guys, let me ask you some question. Have you ever thought of creating such beautiful web pages? Also, what's required for creating such beautiful web pages? All these questions would be answered here. So get connected to our channel and let's enjoy learning. The first requirement is the HTML. So let's have a look at it. HTML is the basic requirement, or you can say the first step towards the web development. HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language, is a programming language that communicates the instructions to your web browser. It instructs your web browser on exactly how the web page should be displayed to the viewer. It is a standard markup language for creating the web pages. It describes the structure of a web page. That means it describes where the footer should be, where the header should be, where the body should be. That is the structure of the web page. It consists of series of elements, and elements tells the browser how to display the content. Now, what is an element? Element is defined as a start tag with some content and the end tag. There are many tags in the HTML like head tag, body tag, div tag, many more. So we'll see them in detail in the next upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned. Let's get introduced to the latest version of HTML, which is HTML5. It has many advantages like storage, type, motion, games, audio, video, and 3D. We'll have a look at them one by one. The first comes storage. Some data can be stored on the user's device, which means apps can continue working properly without the internet connection. Next is type. Web pages can display more fonts with a wider array of colors, shadows, and other effects. Motion. Objects on the web page can move in response to the user's cursor movements. The best example of it can be the hover effect. And the next is everyone's favorite, that is games. Interactive media such as games can run in the web browsers without the need for extra software or plugins. There are many websites which let you play the games online, and that is possible due to the HTML5. Next comes audio and video. Both audio and video playback also no longer requires additional plugins. In older versions of HTML, additional plugins were required for playing the audio and video in your web pages, but now HTML5 has overcome this problem. Next is 3D. Browsers can display interactive 3D graphics using the computer's own graphics processor. This would help to reduce the time taken to process the graphics. Let's take a look at a quick example now. If we visit a web page to a web browser, for demonstration purpose, I have taken this medium.com. As you can see, this page is composed of basic text lines, some images, some hover effects, fonts, different font styles. Now let's take a look at a HTML code that instructs Google Chrome on how to display all the elements of this page. And to do that, just right click on any blank area of the page and select this view page source. After that, you would be redirected to the new tab. This is the actual code that communicates with the layout of the page. Although this looks like a fairly lengthy and complex block of code, but don't worry, stay connected with me. I will help you understand each and every part of this code in depth. So this was a short introduction to HTML, and I would like to tell you one thing, that by the end of this playlist you will be able to interpret and understand what most of this code means, and even you can program your HTML pages on your own. For the further updates, subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit that like button. So that's all for today guys, signing out for the day. Thanks a lot.